Oh, hey there, didn't see ya. My name is Kiara, welcome to my channel. As promised last week, I'm going to be doing a 5 a.m. morning hike, and I'm really excited. I have to be at work at like 8 a.m., so I can't be out for more than 2 hours, but that's okay. We'll be getting the sunrise. I'll be showing you my favorite spot in like literally the entire Twin Cities area. And the park that I'm going to be going to is called Lebanon Hills Regional Park, I think. So the park has been honestly pretty chaotic and busy during COVID, so I have been kind of avoiding it for that reason. But because I'll be going so early in the morning, I'm hoping to avoid all people in general and just have some time alone. So I'm excited, of course, with you guys too, but some time just to chill. But honestly, I am pretty darn exhausted, so I'm gonna hit the hay and I will see you in the morning. Good morning! I have about 15 minutes to get ready and get out of my apartment, so I'm gonna go do that, but I just want to say good morning and I'm tired. Let's get ready. Hello. Okay, we'll do a fit check real quick. Can you see me? Hopefully you can see me. I just have a REI long shirt. It's pretty decently warm, but it's like 65 degrees out right now, so I think I'll be okay. And then I have on just a plain vest, really not branded because I got it from like a Sierra Trading Co. My smartwatch. These are actually my Lululemon joggers, and then can you tell I'm tired still? Just some wool socks and my trail running shoes. Nothing too fancy, but that's my fit. And I'm also bringing along my water bottle, and it was supposed to rain this morning, so I'm gonna bring my rain jacket just in case it does. Okay, let's go. So it's like literally 100% humidity is what it feels like out, and it's so hot, so I ended up grabbing a t-shirt, and I will definitely be changing into this because it's way too hot for both of these. Otherwise I'll just go in my sports bra because it's literally so humid out. But it's already starting to get light, so I'm gonna drive before we are too late. Okay, see you there. Okay, so we're here. I'm just finishing up gathering my stuff, if I can find it. And then I will head to the trail. So I will finish doing that, and I will see you on trail. Hi! Okay, I was kind of dreading doing this, honestly. I wasn't too excited because I was so freaking tired this morning and I knew it might rain, but I'm so glad I did. Being out here feels great, and look how beautiful this park is. Again, my favorite park. You have to come visit, seriously. The only thing is it's like really buggy because there's just so much moisture in this park, so I might put my rain jacket on just to try and avoid bug bites as much as I can. It is just so freaking gorgeous out here. Just look at this. All the greenery, the lake over here, all the bugs. So I'm gonna hike to that spot I was talking about. and I will meet up with you guys there. So I accidentally took the wrong way. I was just distracted, and I feel like I know this park pretty well. Clearly not, but I was just gotta make up for some lost time. We were kind of missing sunrise at this spot, but that's okay. It's kind of cloudy anyways. Can't really see it, so I need to backtrack just a tiny bit. It literally feels like I'm in a jungle. Just the humidity, and I keep like literally, because in the morning, if you guys didn't know, spiders will make webs from tree to tree across the trail, so I don't know, just being hit by spider webs, which good thing I'm not afraid of spiders, but wow, it is just beautiful. I remember why I love this park so much. Especially in the spring and fall. Freaking love it. It's just so green. Just look how green this is, and imagine it with all the colors in the fall. It's stunning. Okay, I see camp. We're close, I promise. We have arrived. Finally. Okay, isn't this so cool? I think it'd be so fun to have like a gathering with your friends here. Just look how cute, and then you can have a little bonfire with your friends. So cute. And then it overlooks this beautiful pond. Freaking beautiful. Wow, what a beautiful morning. I'm gonna spend some time here by myself, and I don't know, maybe just do a little hiking around. Yeah, sorry I didn't make it at sunrise. That was kind of my bad, but it's still beautiful nonetheless. Yeah, planning wasn't so great on my part, but now I know. Gotta get up a little earlier. I'm just gonna spend some time here by myself, enjoy the morning. Thank you for coming along with me. This was so much fun. Look at all those bugs. They're everywhere, including right in my face. I am just gonna do a little loop, and then head back to my car. Cute squirrel. Oh my gosh, I have spider webs all over my face. But yeah, insert hiking montage here. If you can't see them. Wow. Hi, cuties. I'm not gonna hit you. I'm just gonna go walk this way. Have a good morning. Alright, it's about 7 o'clock. I'm gonna cut the trip a tiny bit short. Oh, those are really pretty. Because I wish I was being dramatic, but I probably have like 100+ spider webs on me at this point. So I'm gonna go home, shower them off. It's just a little too uncomfortable. Thank you again for joining me. Let's hike again soon. Bye.